It's Saturday, it's day one of Antigua Sailing Week, and we're up at Shirley Heights as the first boats commence the Yachting World round the island race. Conditions couldn't be any better, and Sojana's circumnavigation of Antigua record may be in jeopardy. We're off to follow the boats. Here we are at Half Moon Bay as the boats look amazing, tacking upwind towards Green Island. The spinnakers will then go up and they'll blast off along the east coast of Antigua. It's been an exhilarating ride as the boats reach the halfway point of the race here at Jabberwocky Beach on the north coast of the island. And news just in, Blackbird have had to pull out of the race due to a blown mainsail. It's Hawksbill Beach. The boats have turned the corner to progress along the west coast. It's the home stretch towards the finish line at Shirley Heights. Here we are at Curtain Bluff, where we've stopped to give you a quick update. There's been a man overboard on Sojana, but don't worry, they've been rescued by the crew.
So we've just finished the round the island Antigua race week in 4 hours, 50 minutes, 45 seconds.
It's been a dramatic day out on the water, with the first 40 Smile and Wave hitting a rock and going on to win their class. Blackbird blew their mainsail, forcing them to retire, and Sojana had a man overboard. Making a textbook recovery, they rescued Maurice Belgrave within 5 minutes and went on to win the Yachting World Trophy. Tomorrow's conditions look feisty. Stay with us for all the action.